Good afternoon, welcome back to ExpatCrib. My name is Ian, and today we have a special penthouse to show you. We've actually featured this penthouse before, but before it was just finished, barely finished, and it wasn't furnished. Today, I'm going to show you the same place furnished. Also, it has a huge rooftop deck that you can get your imagination running wild with. Really nice space, really good views, super close to Mall Tesoro. Let's go take a look. All right, here we go. So, some of you may recognize this from an earlier video, but again, with furniture in here, it makes all the difference. So, as I said, this is really close to Mall Tesoro. You can actually wash your dishes right here and see the mall directly in front. So super close to hundreds of stores and restaurants and grocery stores. This is an insanely excellent location. Again, as I have said in the videos of my favorite neighborhoods of Poblado, Tesoro is probably my favorite neighborhood. So they've got a beautiful table here and chairs. They have, as you can see right here, an induction cooktop, Samsung fridge. There is a beautiful double oven system right there. I think the top one is a microwave. Again, really nice sink right here with beautiful views of the city. And what I love about this kitchen here is they've actually got a secret passageway that leads to the service quarters right here. There we go. So you've got your laundry room back here. Plenty of space with a wash sink right there. Because they're selling this beautiful unit. I think they've actually just decked it out with the furniture here. But I am pretty sure it hasn't been lived in yet. So, brand new, ready to go. Huge patio here with excellent views to the north of the city. So the center of the city is just out this way. And up there you can see Las Palmas. And then Amsterdam Plaza, which is just a few blocks from Mall Tesoro, is just over this way right here. All right, let's go take a look at the rest of this beautiful brand new apartment. So right here, if you actually come out the front door, they have their own private elevator, okay, with only access to this floor. Another look at the living room here. And then they have a beautiful desk in the hallway here. And then right over here, I believe, is the master bedroom. Yes, this is the master. And then they have a nicely sized walk-in closet here. Very spacious. Again, this is a new build and a luxury penthouse. And then right here, as you can see, I have a really nice rain shower. And it looks like they have a bidet system on the toilet. This is the master bedroom. Again, really nice size. And this also has northern views of the city. And also to the east, just over this way. This is a 4-bedroom apartment. I'll put all the specifications at the end screen as usual. This is, I believe, a guest bedroom. And each bedroom has its own washroom. And all of them have their own rain showers. And from here you can see Mall Tesoro. All right, let's move on to bedroom number 3. As soon as you enter this bedroom here, you have your ensuite washroom. Again, views of the southern end of the city towards Envigado. Really nice woodwork in the background there, as you can see. And let's go on to the 4th and final bedroom. And again, this one here has your walk-in closet. And then right here, you have your washroom. So I believe there's actually up to 6 washrooms. I'll have to recount, but either 5 or 6. And then there's a social bathroom just as you come into the penthouse. So this is the 4th bedroom. All right, let's wander up to the rooftop deck. Again, this is the main entrance hallway. Sorry for the noise in the background. I think they're working on another apartment. This is your social washroom right here. Just at the entrance. And a really big door. And I believe this comes with 3 parking spaces, this apartment. Back to the living room. And let's wander on upstairs. So as I said, the rooftop deck is unfinished, but it is absolutely massive. So you could get very creative with this deck. This deck is bigger than a lot of apartments in this area. And I believe they put all the plumbing up here. So you could put a lap pool over in this area here, complete with jacuzzi. But let's take a look at the views. The views here are epic. You can actually hear, I believe that's La Presidenta River right down there. You can hear it. It's been a lot of rain in the last couple days here, so the river is raging. But just, I can't get over the size of this deck and what you could do with it. Let's take a look over here. Again, here you've got, looks like almost, actually yes, you have like 360-degree views from this deck. All the way around. Again, that's to the north right there. And then over there to the west. And then to the south. And then over there to the east. Again, I'll take one last look at this massive deck. Let's take another walk downstairs. We actually are going to feature a few other apartments in this building that are also coming up for sale. So if you like the style of this unit but don't need a penthouse, we'll feature a few other apartments, as I said, in this beautiful building. Again, we'll take one last look here at the living room. I really like this kitchen. Beautiful kitchen. And they've done a really nice job with the living room. So if you have any questions, please feel free to leave them in the comments. As I said, I will put the description of this unit, the price and everything at the end screen, and also always in the comment section, or sorry, in the description section of the video. This is Ian. Hope you've enjoyed this penthouse tour, really close to Mall Tesoro in the Tesoro region. This is Ian from ExpatCrib, and we will see you in the next video.